The Infinix XE21 earbuds are proven for $25 you can get a lot of value in the true wireless earbud market. Balance base, Bluetooth 5.0 version, Type-C charging port, game mode, and a longer battery life, plus 6 colors options just for you to choose. In this video, I'll be sharing with you my complete review and quick comparison with the new Oraimo Freepods 3 earbuds. So, for transparency's sake, Infinix Mobility sent me this XE21 earbud for review. This is in no way going to cloud my decision, thought and experience with this very particular product. In fact, Infinix Mobility Limited will be seeing this review exactly same time that you are. Without taking much of your time, let's get down to business. To the unboxing, the pack looks small with the XE21 on it. By the side, you'll see the phrase "Great Base," and at the back, you find the specifications and features of these Infinix earbuds. Opening the box, you are greeted by the earbuds and the case in separate housing, followed by the user manual and warranty card and one extra air tip. Right inside the packing, you find the Infinix USB Type-C charging cord. That is pretty much it in the box. So, a closer look at the sturdy built case. It has a glossy finishing plus one lead indicator at the front with Infinix branding. Underneath it, you find a unique serial number for the case, and at the back is this Type-C charging port. The overall size of this case is pretty small compared to the Oraimo Freepods 3, which make it a perfect choice to pocket it anytime at anywhere. So let's talk about the Bluetooth connection. These white guys perf very fast using the Bluetooth 5.0 version with the AAC and SBC as their connection codecs, which means it can work well with Android and iOS devices. As for the Bluetooth range, I was able to get 11 meters during my testing. So this actually depends on how many walls and obstruction are between the earbuds and the device they are connected to. This pair of earbuds also features the independent usage mode, which means you can use each of the earbuds individually while the other one is charging in its case. So if you are using one earbud at a go, this is definitely going to last you throughout the day. Now, when it comes to watching videos, Roku TV, Netflix, Airtel TVs, etc., there's no latency observed. When it comes to gaming with these earbuds, they really work well with casual games like traffic racers, beach buggy racing, temple run, etc. But when you are playing first shooter games like Free Fire, PUBG, Call of Duty, etc., you are going to notice a little bit of latency. To fasten this up, press hold any of these earbuds for 5 seconds and it will automatically switch to the game mode. Though this is not perfect, but the sound came out better and I can hear the gunshot faster, so this is better than nothing at all. Now, for the waterproof rating, there's nothing mentioned on the pack or in writing, so I guess this is IPX4 or thereabout. So they will survive sweat and workouts, but for swimming and sort of, please don't risk it. Now, this brings us to the battery life. Infinix were claiming 7 hours and 35 hours for the earbuds and charging case respectively. During my testing, I was able to pull out 10 hours from these earbuds and 30 hours respectively. With this data, this surpasses the new Oraimo Freepods 3 in terms of battery life. Well done, Infinix. So if you're interested in the battery information, the Infinix earbuds has 60 mAh for each of the earbuds and 650 mAh for the charging case, against the Oraimo Freepods 3 that has 45 mAh for each of his earbuds and 500 mAh for the charging case. Now you can see the difference. And for the charging of these Infinix earbuds and the case, can take you about 2 hours for it to be fully charged. So it has nothing like fast charging on it if you are looking at the price range. Now to the comfort, the Infinix XE21 earbuds has a very small design that sits well in every kinds of hair, irrespective of your hair size, so no pressure build up whatsoever. They are using touch control sensors that work like magic, very responsive, that with just one tap on any of these earbuds you can pick your calls, play and pause your music, while double tap can switch songs, long tap for 5 seconds can switch between game mode and music mode, a long tap for 3 seconds can summon your smartphone voice assistant. Please note that there is no volume control on these earbuds. For my testing, if I'm to rate the mic, I will give this 6.5/10, which is still good. As for the sound quality, you are not getting that punchy bass or too bright tremble, is just in between, sitting perfectly there. So you can adjust this to your personal preference by downloading equalizer app from Google Play Store, or if you have one inbuilt in your smartphone. Here's my final verdict on this Infinix earbuds, comparing it to Oraimo Freepods 3. If you are looking for mostly longer music time on earbuds, then go for the XE21 earbuds. But if you are just using your earbuds for mostly calls, then grab the Oraimo Freepods 3. So overall, Infinix is offering us a special set of earbuds that are worth buying at a rock bottom price. So if you really want a budget friendly earbud that can last you for almost a day with little cutouts, Infinix got your back on this. Please subscribe to this channel and watch the next video about Oraimo Earbuds 2S, which has more punchy bass and close similarities. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.